obsessed. I am obsessed. This pink lip glossy fat oil, that's what they call it, is called DM Me. I absolutely love it. It's such a pretty pink. Hello my darling Fumi Nation, how are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. Let me take this mint out. My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed, my darlings. We're having a meet and greet, my darlings, on the 20th of this month, and it is going to be fabulous, my darlings. We have goodie bags for you. Juvia's Place, baby. Healthy Hair Studio. Yes, my darlings. We also have Eloise Beauty. We also have Sane Paper. The gifts that keeps giving. The brands that keep giving. Thank you for your love and support to all of my sponsors. We've got vendors galore. We've got shopping galore. You guys can come at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. to shop. The event will start at 1 p.m. That's when you get to see me, baby. It's going to be fabulous. We're going to have food, drinks. It's going to be just so much fun, and we have an exclusive to my brand. Yes, my darlings, Healthy Hair Studio will be there. You can get all of the products, and so many of you are coming from America. I am just so excited. Welcome, and darlings, I cannot wait. Tickets below. So why are we here? First and foremost, what am I wearing? I am wearing my True Religion jeans. For those of you that have been around as long as I have, you will remember the True Religion jeans. Let me just turn around for you, baby. You remember the low? Well, I brought it out today and I thought, why not? Why don't you just wear jeans for me? You don't have to be dressed up all the time. So here we are. Why are we here? We are here because we've got the wonderful Nelly and Ashanti, who are enjoying a wonderful experience 2.0. Why? Because they dated in the early 90s, they got back together, and they've had a beautiful baby together. Yes. Celebrations all around. Needless to say, Nelly and Ashanti now have a reality show. I think it has just started. Congratulations to them. And we have the wonderful Nelly talking about he is not changing any diapers. He says, I've got nothing for him. He just cannot change that kind of diapers. I was reading the comments below, and somebody said something which I thought was so beautiful. I don't know why, but it really just touched me. She says, I can't remember my husband changing any of my son's diapers, and that's why I love him. She wrote, he a man, I'm a woman, baby mine, child his. It was the baby mine, child his that got me, because I kind of understood what she meant, that as a baby, the baby needs the mother, and then when the baby grows up a little bit older, that's when the father steps in. I understood it. Do I agree with it? No, I don't. But I understood it. And for some reason, it occurred to me that I am truly hoping that Nelly and Ashanti go the distance. You see, when you're in a relationship, just the two of you, it's fine. Easy peasy. Hold on. All right. It's a butterfly. It's trying to get out because the weather is so warm now that the windows are open. So we have all of these, Mother Nature flying in. So anyway, like as I was saying, when you're just a couple, just the two of you without the responsibility, which is 24/7 of a young child, it's a lot. And it does change the dynamic of the relationship. I say this only because there are so many relationships that have broken up since because of that one little innocent, little beautiful, gorgeous baby. I don't want that to be the case for Nelly and for Ashanti. It's so cute now, you have your reality show and you're trying to get something going. Okay, I get it. But be very careful because you're taking on a lot. You're taking on a new baby, a new schedule. You're trying to understand what your body is doing. And Ashanti, don't even try to do any kind of snapback. Enjoy yourself, breastfeed, do all the wonderful motherly things that can come much later, and you will feel yourself again. But right now, the hormones inside of you, they don't even belong to you. How about that? I also want to strongly advise Nelly, you don't change diapers. Try. Because you're helping her and you're bonding with your son. A lot of fathers might feel, oh, I don't do that, I don't. You should. You should experience every aspect of your child. That's the bonding, and it lasts forever. And you are in a position where you're financially stable, you have assistance, you have the help. It also shows care. It also shows consideration. It also shows so much love and support for the mother. The mother has gone through a life-changing experience. And I've said it before and I'll say it again. There's no harder job than being a mother. And I was an older mother, and I was prepared, more than prepared. And I have a husband who supports me 24/7, every single day. When it comes to Adrian, Adrian couldn't find a better father, even if he tried. It's still hard. So don't put off things and say, I can't do that. That's for the mom. I can't. Begin to undo those mental restraints. Get rid of all of that. It's not helping. It's not funny. I'm not amused. I really am not amused by it. I don't think it's anything to say, oh yes, well, that's cute. It's not. Your mother wiped your bum. How about that, Nelly? So you do that for your son. And I promise you, as unpleasant as the smell might be, you don't even think, well, I don't anyway, I didn't. You don't even think in that perspective. You're caring for an extension of Ashanti. Ashanti is in this beautiful baby just as you. And you get to experience a wonderful chapter that goes very quickly. Ula's friend came to visit us when Adrian was just born. Knut, a fellow Norwegian, wonderful, wonderful family friend. And he told me, he said, Fumi, enjoy it. Enjoy all of it because it goes fast. You have 18 summers, give or take, and they're very independent. They've got their own lives, their own friends. They're off to college and that. And when they do go, they kind of sort of don't come back. And I remembered when I went to college, I didn't come back. I went on, with my life. Adrian's going to be 7. That means that I have 11 more summers. That's just how quickly it goes by. So appreciate it, enjoy it, relish in it. Absolutely relish in it. And support Ashanti. And you know what happens when you do that? Ashanti will see you with him, and there's another bucket of love that outpours for the father of your child. It multiplies. I can't explain where the love even comes from, but it comes. And that becomes your life, your everything. Ula and Adrian, everything. My everything, my everything. It's a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful feeling. All right, my darlings, short and sweet. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you at the meet and greet. Yeah, all of my love. Fold out. So, guys, what do I think about our slippery lime shampoo? me show you something. Let me show you something. And for the benefit of other shampoo products, I covered them. I had to do this test because I needed to prove a point. And I don't want to bring up any other product or brand. But these are other shampoos that I've had. Yeah? Okay. So I'm going to take them out one by one. Let me put my slippery slime here. I'm going to bring it out one by one. And I'm going to pour it out for you to see. Yeah? Look at the consistency. Look at the consistency. Okay, that is one. Look at the consistency of this one. Okay. Look at the consistency of this. Oh God! Look at the consistency of this. Look at the consistency of Slippery Slime shampoo by Healthy Hair Studio, created by a trichologist called ENITAN. It's a beast. It won't even. Just look. If you are asking me, Fumi, a slippery lime shampoo, Healthy Hair Studio, created by trichologist ENITAN, is it FDV approved? It is absolutely FDV approved.
Value of the information that we were given. So it's not overwhelming. It was very clearly laid out. It was accessible even for someone that's not familiar with public relations.
Now I'm leaving, feeling more PR ready. What I thought I knew, I now know more. What I came to do, I've done so much more.
If you are serious about really growing your business or growing your brand, then like this is really this is a must.
And I love the fact that I came away from it feeling and knowing that I now have a clear pathway for the things I want to do next for my business.
I'm literally in awe.
I feel like I can pitch. There's so many platforms that I've wanted to go on, so many podcasts or just things that I thought I can only dream about. But in this retreat and just through the classes and the sessions, I really learned how to actually reach out to those platforms, to those huge platforms.
Know that when it comes to PR, Nina gonna put you together, okay? During our sessions, how she walked us through the playbook and she had us complete tasks. It gave us a sense of clarity.
Nina, you did that. You brought a group of amazing women together and you helped us bond, see our worthiness, and yeah, it was everything I could have dreamed of and more.
Yes, it's really been a unforgettable experience.
This is by far the most impactful few days I've had in a very long time.
Nina, you have no idea how profoundly your journey has impacted my journey.
Don't even think about not signing